Hi, welcome to Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, PVK, and I'm Plush2x. Today I'm going to show you how to make some homemade vegan cheese. Now, I don't know if you saw episode 65, I had showed some vegan cheese options like mozzarella, provolone, cheddar that you can buy from the store. That's episode 65. Now, also on episode 66, I also showed how to make homemade cashew cheese. You can check that out. You know, I did it with a roasted cashews and some raw cashews. I had two different kinds. That's on episode 66. Now today I'm going to do a twist to the cashew cheese because there's another way you can make vegan cheese. You can make it with potatoes. Now here's the main ingredients that you need, right? You get some potatoes, onions, garlic, carrots. Some people put yeast and tapioca, but I did it different than that recipe right there. So I didn't have any carrots, so all I did was you boil some potatoes, you boil some onions all together. Normally if you have carrots, you boil the carrots too, but I think you add the carrots later because, you know, potatoes take longer. So you boil the I boiled the potatoes and the onions together, and then you save the juice that you boiled the potatoes and the carrots with, because you're going to need it to, you know, blend the potatoes when you blend it together. So after you cook the potatoes and the onions, you save the juice, pour the juice in the blender. I added some cashews. That's the twist. So normally when you make a vegan cheese with potatoes, you don't add the cashew. You either just do cashew cheese or the potato cheese. I actually blended it and it was wonderful. Yeah, so I added some cashew. Now I only made a little bit because I was, you know, trying it. This is almost like a test kitchen. You know, I be experimenting in my kitchen. So yeah, I did potatoes, and then I used the boiled water from the potato and the onions, and then I blended a little bit of cashew, and then I added the cooked potatoes in there and the onions in there, and blended it all together. And then you add the seasoning, which is adobo. You don't need much seasoning because onion is the seasoning already. So you add the adobo, and then you mix it in. I haven't done that yet. So I put the adobo on there. I'm going to show you what it looks like in a minute. Yeah, I got me some russet potatoes. It's the best kind to use that I like anyways. I know you can use any kind of potato, white potato, but I like bacon potatoes. So even though I'm not bake it, I boil it. And here's what it looks like. It was delicious. It is good. Turn the light on here. See, it's nice and creamy. It's a little different than just the cashew cheese, which I also love. That is amazing. Just making a cashew cheese. It's the cashew that I use right here. This is good. I also had a raw one on episode 66. I did two different kinds, the roasted and the raw. The only difference between the roasted and the raw, I believe that the roasted one is a little sweeter than the raw. But the raw gives you a lighter flavor. So you can add different flavors to it if you like. But yeah, I saved some of the potatoes, and this is actually good when I put it on top of there and I eat it with this. But this is make a nice Alfredo sauce or anything, any dipping sauce that you want. If you like, you can add some paprika, and it's delicious. It's really delicious. Try it out, and leave the cows alone because bovine milk, you know, cow's milk is not good for you. It gives you osteoporosis, arthritis. It's opposite of milk does the body good. It does not. You know, the doctors tell you milk does the body good, helps your bones. It actually does not. It deteriorates your bones. And the poor animals are raped and killed for that. Please go vegan and save your health, the animals, and the world. Stay tuned for more with Plush2x's Vegan Kitchen, and have a nice day. Bye.